For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paperclips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paperclips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. For our Stickman, I'm going to start with the head and just use the round pliers and curve it around. Take the tweezer nose pliers, bend it in, bend this down, bend this one up, down, up, and then across. Bring it in a little bit. We'll form the other arm, so just take the flat pliers and bend it across. Behind there, so there's our little guy. Get a round form or a ring cone and hold it in place and bring the wire all the way around. Pinch it down. This wire needs to get curved out a little bit, so take your round pliers and just gently pinch it around. And then we'll just take this and wiggle it a little bit in there. You might just need to curve this out a little bit as well. And there you have your super cute little guy. If you need the ring band to be bigger, just make your little guy a bit smaller.